We'll guide you through how to fix the NVIDIA graphics card not showing in Device Manager. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying because if it's not showing up in your Device Manager, it's likely that your computer is not using it. And so therefore, if you go and have one, you aren't be getting the best performance as you can, as it's not being fully utilized and being used. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. So what you can do is you can go and check your Device Manager. So you can press search at the bottom, go and type in Device Manager and open it up like so. Now what you need to do is come down this list and go and find the option for display adapters. Press the arrow to the left to expand it, and you can go and see here mine is showing up. We'll guide you through what to do if yours isn't. We can come back here at the end to go and see if we solved it. Now what you want to do is you want to go and open up your Windows settings. You can press search at the bottom and type in settings, or press the Windows start button and click settings here. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the left and scroll down, and you want to find Windows Update. Wait for this to load, and you can then go and scroll down and you want to go and find advanced options. Scroll down and you want to go and find optional updates. And you want to go and press driver updates, and you can go and select these and go and download and install them. You may have multiple here. I've got with my printer, but you may go and have others. You want to select them and press download and install. Wait for them to complete, and after they complete, it's worth doing a restart, and then you can go back to your Device Manager and see if it's then working. Hopefully it is. Now, if they still isn't showing up, what we need to do is this applies if you're using Asus and you're using the Armoury Crate app. This is basically the management app on Asus laptops. So what you need to do is you need to go and open it up, and in there you need to go and find the device tab over to the left, click and press system. In system, you want to go and find the option for GPU power saving and click there. You want to make sure that it's set to standard. If you're using some sort of power saving mode, it's going to not be using the graphics card. So you want to make sure it's set to standard. When you go and set it to standard, it should go and appear. If it doesn't automatically, you can go and restart your computer. And then what you can do is you can go and check the Device Manager, which I'll go and open up now. We can come over to the left and you can go and find display adapters, and hopefully now it will then go and be appearing. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you again.